Hello, my name is Evelyn Liliana Hernandez Montenegro. I am 35 years old. I am from Ipiales, Nariño. Explain each step mentioned in the video. 5 steps. 1. Don't worry about you don't understand something. You need 100% of your brain power. You need to stay focused and relaxed. If you don't understand something, relax. It is not the end of the work. Relaxing and focusing 100% on what you are hearing, you have the best chance to understand if you are relaxing. 2. Don't try to translate. If you listen to English and try to translate into your language at the same time, you are trying to be a professional interpreter. It is no good because you need years of training. Just listen, don't not try to translate words. 3. Use consent to help you understand. Understanding doesn't not you depend on listening. There are other things you can use. For example, body language, tone of the voice, and facial expression to help you understand what the meaning. Also, think about the situation or the place you are in. When you are listening to spoken English, use everything you can to help understand. 4. Practice with different situations and voice. Listen other accents like American voice, Australian voice, British voice, or New Zealand voice. Hard to understand. Listen to as many different voices as possible. Don't limit yourself. Listen different kinds to English speakers, Canadian, Russian, Brazilian, Indian English speakers. 5. Make a study plan. It is important to improve your English, establishing a practical plan to work in the week. Following the 2 rules. You don't need much time, 15 or 20 minutes a day. It's too good target. Listen different voices and different sources. For example, listen songs, podcasts with American voice, TV shows, listen exercise, and from the textbook, call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking English. At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situations. Name at least 2 of those situations. Situation 1. You are listening to native English speakers from Scotland who speaks Scottish accent. 2. 4 native speakers from different countries talking to each other. They have different accents. In the minute 3:31, other language is spoken. What language was that? Language is Portuguese. Which are the 2 rules for the 5 steps? Rule number 1, do something every day. Rule number 2, do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? What kind of the lesson plan would you propose? They propose a practical plan for the week to listen to many tips or resources and voice every day. I propose to listen one conversation between 2 or more English speakers for 15 minutes twice a week. How to stick your plan? Make your plan at the start of the week, right? Write it stick in the somewhere if you're home, for example, on the wall, practice in the best time for your concentration. Then, when you do your listen practice each day, cross it over your plan. Having in the video, where can you obtain material of practice English? Internet, Google, or in other search engine.